As you can see behind me, it's obvious that today I'm in Milan, in the north of Italy. Of course you know where is Milan, and we have one day to explore Milan. Let's go, we don't have time, let's go! We just visited inside, and now we are going to the top of the roof. And today, because it's rainy, we can't go by using the stairs. That's why we have to get the lift. Let's go. Guys, can you guess where we are? We are on top of Duomo and we are walking on a rooftop. Guys, we were so lucky. Actually, I've been to Milan 4 times, but this was the first time we could actually manage to visit Duomo, because every time we came there was this really long queue, and you can see behind me, because we came early, we could manage to visit it without staying and wasting any time in the queue. Look at that! And I have to get the umbrella for Bruno. Now it's a bit hard. You can see because it's raining. Same as always when we travel, you know, rain follows us. It's really hard to film when it's raining, but you know, we have one day to explore Milan and we are doing it. Let's see how far we can go. I can't go without you because we need the umbrella.
Yeah.
Oh, I dropped something on the lens.
Thank you.
Improving. Now we took advantage and we came to the park. This is my favorite park in Milan, and when it's sunny it's so beautiful, but when it's sunny, it's not just beautiful, it's so busy. Because it's cloudy and rainy, we have it for ourselves. Guys, we're in Milan, the capital of fashion. Let's go shopping. You know I love shopping. Guys, you know, we were walking around and actually I told you that I'm going to do shopping, but it was not really successful. But we found something, tiramisu, and mine is chocolate cake. It looks so nice. It's so beautiful, I don't want to touch it. I don't know what I ordered, I never had it before. It's maraschino. It's espresso with milk and kind of coconut powder, something like that. I'm waiting for that. I never had something like that before. It's coming, my drink is coming.
Cappuccino?
It's for him.
Marocchino for you?
Yes. Can you see that? This is espresso with milk and with some powder. I don't know, it was written coconut powder, but maybe I misunderstood. So good.
It's gone.
Actually, he had his tiramisu and then he had
Some cake, not much. It's like 80% of it.
Yeah, 80% of my cake, you see? We are going to the train station actually to get out of Milan. It's not something happy to do because I love Milan. You know, Milan train station is one of the most beautiful train stations in Europe, and you should visit it. Even if you're flying to Milan, you should come to this train station. Guys, can you believe that? Look at that! Look at that! It's sunny. We are living and it's sunny. Oh God, we are not lucky with the weather. We made it to the train. Oh, it was like so busy. Actually, can you believe that we walked whole day around Milan, and whatever you see in this video, we only walked, apart from just taking a metro to the train station. It was kind of busy day, and we had to kind of four seasons. And now we are heading back between Turin and Milan. What is the name of the stop we are going to?
Chivasso.
Chivasso. Okay. CH pronounced Ki, apparently. Actually, we arrived in Milan last evening. We only had dinner and we checked in our hotel, and all the exploring was today. You can see where we had dinner, and I recommend to go there. It's nice area and you can have relaxing evening. Right now we are in Navili. How do you say? Navili. Something like that. I'm not Italian. Here is where we are going to eat. Apparently I read a lot of reviews. It's a good place to have dinner. Let's go. Here we just paid for our drink, which is €6, and we have a buffet dinner, but light, really light dinner. I hope you enjoyed the video. Same as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos. Bye!